Hello students, now let's see standard 7th subject maths chapter number 13 Pythagoras theorem. Now in this the figure will be of right angle triangle. So as you can see just opposite to 90 degree this is called as a hypotenuse and this is called as a height and this is base. So now hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So this is the formula of hypotenuse. Or you can write hypotenuse equal to side square plus side square. Now let's shift to practice set 48. In the figure below, find the value of x. So this figure is given to you LMN and you have to guess in which side is hypotenuse. So just I told you that just opposite to 90 degree ln is a hypotenuse and this is side square plus side square. So let's write the solution. In triangle LMN, angle M is 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So here hypotenuse, just now I told you ln is hypotenuse square equal to mn square. You can take any one, mn square plus ln lm square. So just put on the values which they have given you. Ln is x square and mn is 24 and ln is 7. So you just have to find the squares now. So x square will be as it is, 24 square will be 576. That means what you have to do, 24 multiplied by 24. You will get 576 plus sign and 7 sevens that is 49 or 7 square that is a 49. So you just have to do the plus, you will get 625. Now what you have to do, taking a square root, x equal to this square will turn into root form and you have to write 625 in the root. Now how to find this? As you can see here students, I have already done it. So with 5 table I have seen. So in this way the answer is, you just have to take out the common of these two. So 5 and 5. So 5 5s are 25. So the value of x is 25. Now let's see the next figure. PQR. This is the type of figure. Here PQ they have given 9 and PR 41 and QR x. Now in this, which is hypotenuse? Obviously just opposite to 90 degree PR is there. So this is a hypotenuse. So let's write in triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree. By using a Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, or you can write side square plus side square. So hypotenuse, as you already know, that is a PR square upon, you can take any one side, QP square plus QR square. So as you know, PR is 41 square, QP is 9 square and QR is x square. So let's find out. 41 is 41, what is it? 1681. 9 square, 9 9 is 81 and x square as it is. Now let's shift this x over here and 1681 here and minus 81. So when you will minus, you will get 1600. So taking square root, now you have to take a square root. X equal to square 1600. So here I have done the, so you can see 2 2s are, so this you will conduct this 2 2 2 and 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So that's why the 40 comes here. The value of x is 40. Now let's see the third sum. So this kind of figure is given. EDF. D is 90 degree. So just opposite to 90 degree, EF will be your hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So EF square equal to DF square plus ED square. EF is 17 square equal to 8 square plus x square. So 17 square is 289, 8 square is 64 x square. Now just write down 17 17s are how much and 8 8s are how much, and you just have to take out x square outside, and 289 here minus 64, you will get 225 x square. So taking square root, what you will get, so taking square root, so that means you have to do in this way. So this 5 one time and this 3 one time, so 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 15. So the value of x is 15. Now let's see question number 2. In a right angle triangle PQR, angle P is 90 degree if length PQ is 24 centimeter and length PR is 10 centimeter. Find the length of segment QR. So you have to draw a triangle here, imaginary triangle. So PQR, in this way we have drawn. So this P should be 90 degree, you have to adjust in this way. So here I have put a 90 degree. So just opposite to 90 degree, QR is the hypotenuse. So you have to find the hypotenuse and two sides are given. So let's write first given. In triangle PQR, angle P equal to 90 degree and PQ equal to 24 and PR equal to 10 centimeter. You have to find QR. So let's find it. Same thing you have to do here also. In triangle PQR, angle P equal to 90 degree. By using a Pythagoras theorem, let's write the formula. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. As I already told you, you can use this kind of formula also. So QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. So QR we don't know, so as it is QR square, PQ 24 square and this is 10 square. So 24 24s are 576 plus 10 10s are 100, that means 10 square is 100. Now you have to do the plus, you will get 676. So taking a square root, QR equal to under root 676. So QR equal to 26 centimeter. How 26? As you can see here, with 2 we have done here and 13. So 2 13s are 26. So in this way you have to write centimeter because centimeter they have used there. So the length of the side QR is 26 centimeter. So now let's see the third question. In right angle triangle LMN, angle M is 90 degree if length LM equal to 12 centimeter and length LN is 20 centimeter. Find the length of segment MN. So again you have to draw imaginary triangle in rough work, or you can draw in fair also. LMN. So M should be 90 degree. So in this way you have to arrange it. So just opposite to 90 degree, you will get hypotenuse LN, that is 20 centimeter they have given, and one side they have given, another side they didn't given you. So you have to find it. So let's find. In triangle LMN, M equal to 90 degree. By using a Pythagoras theorem, LN square equal to LM square plus MN square. So as you know, LN is 20 square equal to 12 square plus MN square, because MN we don't know. So 20 square will be 20 multiplied by 20, 400, and 12 12s are, that is 144, and MN as it is. So take out this MN here and 400 here and 140 minus 144. When you will do minus, you will get 256. So same thing you have to do, taking a square root. So let's write. See here with 2, 1 2 here, 1 2, and this 2 and this 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. So 16 centimeter. So the length of the side MN is 16 centimeter. Now let's see question 4. The top of the ladder of the length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder? So you have to draw this kind of figure. So AB is your base and AC is your hypotenuse. That is 15 meter and this is 9 meter height. So A will be foot of the ladder and B will be the base of the wall and C in there the window. So let's see solution. Let BC be the wall and AC the ladder. C is the window and length AC is 15 meter, length BC is 9 meter. So we have to find what? Length AB. So let's length AB be x meter. We are assuming that length AB should be x meter. You can directly write AB also, no matter. By using Pythagoras theorem, as you know in figure, AC is the hypotenuse. So length AC we will take out outside equal to one side plus other side. Length AB square plus length BC square. So AC, as you already know, that is 15 square equal to AB we don't know, that is x square. We have assumed that is should be x square plus 9 square. So 15 15s are 225, x square plus 81. Now let's take out x square outside. This 225 here minus 81. When you will minus, you will get 144 x square. As you know students, while taking square root, 144 is of 12. So automatically you can write here x equal to 12 meter. So the distance between the foot of the ladder and the base of the wall is 12 meter. So here we complete this practice set. Thank you students.